Here is a shout out to my Zoom buddy who keeps me on track. Look at problem 25 with me.
So I'm going to write this a little bit.
When I add 5 to both sides, does that get rid of a positive 5? No, it does not. So problem 25 on the review is incorrect. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go on a different screen. Actually, we're going to do it right here. Sorry that I'm being crazy. And we're going to do, hold on. Thanks to my buddy on my Zoom who always keeps me on my toes. I am going to go through this right here, and I made a mistake. So we're going to play it on 25. Pay attention to the mistake that I made.
So I'm going to write this.
Now, to get rid of a 5, do I add 5 more? No, that doesn't get rid of a 5. So I am going to come over on here, and now I'm going to do it correctly. And I should have subtracted 5 and subtracted 5. And so x over 3 equals negative 12. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. X should equal negative 36. Shout out to my little guy who helps me stay on track.